This is a walk around video of my 2024 BMW R1250 GSA. This replaced my 2023 BMW RT because the RT just did not make me smile that much like the GSA does. I also have some rides coming up to Central America and Panama that the GSA is just better suited for. I have quite a few items and farkles mounted on here to help make me comfortable and safe on the road. I have an extra brake light connected to a hex EasyCan brake circuit with the flasher mounted. I have used the GS 911 to turn on my rear turn signals full time, 10% in the day. The flashing is just how the video records. I have 3M reflective on the rear of the side cases to help provide better visibility and on the top box. I have extra bags on my top of my side cases for more gear. I have a Russell seat with a bead rider bead seat, a 4.2 gallon auxiliary fuel tank that's plumbed into the main, so I have a total of a little over 12 gallons, go a long ways. SW Moto tank bag, double take mirrors, Garmin Zumo XT, Garmin RV 890, Valentine Gen 2 radar detector. I have Sang quick scan mirrors. Those are cat's ass, no blind spots with those. A wireless phone charger got off Amazon for $35. I've used those for 200,000 miles and they're great. My X360 X3 camera, really nice for recording rides. And a Spot 4, my wireless heated gear charger. Stylus is for the GPSs and phone while underway. Bark Buster Blizzard handguards, those things are great. They really protect you in the cold and the rain. Some little bags there on the side there, more stuff. I have some extra air deflectors on the sides from Airflow that I adapted. Wonderlook Ergo 2 windscreen, Airflow on the top, Ruby lights mounted on XL bull bar, TourTech XL bull bar, and clear water lights below. Some laser jammers on the front help protect me. Those extra air deflectors on the side from Airflow, yellow lenses on my BMW fog lights, bags on the crash bars, a 1 gallon hydration system water that I use for drinking while underway, my Russell seat, a triangle for emergencies on the highway, which is required in Central America in case. I store that there, nice place to keep it. I also have a siphon hose in case somebody runs out of gas. One of those self-priming really works nice. So as you see, I have a lot of farkles on my bike, a lot of gear. I have some stuff in the tank bag. I have a 5-channel audio mixer to mix into all the audio that plumbs into my headset. Everything works really nice together, and it's a nice bike on the highway. I got about 25,000 miles on this new GSA in the first 8 months. That's it. So that's a nice bike. Really enjoy riding it. Plenty of auxiliary lighting to see down the road at night because I love